Welcome back to another video, and today's video I will show you how to write HTML in structured way, and we will discuss in details. So start with HTML tag. Every single website or web page start with HTML tag. As you can see, if I show you an example, let me just inspect this website. You can see it start with HTML. So whatever you want to write inside the page, you have to keep it inside HTML tag. So every web page start with HTML tag, right? And the next we have a head tag, right? And it holds the information for machine processing. Our next tag is title. So title is important for a page. Title, let me just show you what is title. And okay, let me just go to the destination file. Here this is the file home.html. Let's double click on it. As you can see, this is the content of the page, web page. And if you see here, you can see that here we have hello HTML. So this is the title, and title is very important for the website if you want to rank it. So page title is very important factor for SEO also. And what is SEO? SEO works for rank the page or website. If you search in Google, let me just search here HTML. So if you search in Google for any topic, you will find a lot of pages, and among them, if you want to show your page, let's say we search here HTML, right? But from all of them, we find W3 School website at the very top of the page. So if you want to learn HTML, then usually people like to click the first link, right? So this is the factor. And if you want to show your page or website in the first page or in the top of the page, then you have to do SEO. As a web developer, you need to know about SEO. But if you are not expert in SEO, it's not a big deal, because we have SEO expert for this. But as a developer, you have to know about it, right? Because you have to talk with them. You have to it is relatable, kind of. Okay, I don't want to show you every text because it will take too much time. We will do a project, right? Then we'll explain every single tag one by one. Okay, you can learn these tags with example from some website. Let me show you. We have one website, it's called W3 School. So you can learn HTML tags with example from this website. And we have another website like this one, MDN Web Docs. And we have tutorials point and so many things. Okay, and you can go and learn from here step by step. But if you do a project and then you can learn, then it will be more beneficial. So we will do a project and then we will explain every single tag, right? That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.